I'm Mike Galati with Galati Yacht Sales on board the 2013 55 Viking Maya. This yacht offers a 3-stateroom, 2-head layout, has been recently repowered with MAN 1650 common rail engines, and has been captain maintained since new, ready for her next owner. The 55 Viking Cockpit offers all you need for comfort and fishability, including a mezzanine seat with air conditioning, fighting chair, a transom live well with tuna tubes, an in-deck live well, full-length fish box, tackle drawers, and refrigeration and freezers. Now let's head up to the flybridge. We're here at the center console helm of the 55 flybridge, where we have seating all the way around, 2 helm chairs, 3 15-inch Seatronics displays, also Seakeeper 9, which was replaced in 2019 and comes with extended warranty. At the helm you also have access to all of your navigation and fishing accessories like your teaser reels up overhead and your Furuno CH250 sonar. Making our way into the main salon. On the port side we have a new L-shaped sofa which was just replaced earlier in 2020. Up into the galley we have a really nice island with 2 bar stools, Cambria countertops, and a custom backlit channel glass. Up above throughout the salon area we have all new replaced LED lighting and a well-appointed dinette back on the port side. Now we'll head down into the accommodations. To starboard you have your master stateroom with your ensuite head, and to port a side-by-side guest bunk stateroom with a shared head to the forward VIP with a crossover bunk arrangement. Also in the companionway you have a full dual washer and dryer. Thank you for joining me today on this beautiful 55 Viking Maya. For more information, please reach out directly or visit us on GalatiYachts.com.